Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps, pretty much just the general functionalities that you have. I'll be explaining this for the PC version. The mobile version is a bit different, but it uses the same principles. So let me get right into it. Now, Google Maps, of course, is used mainly as a map, and you can do it however you would like. You can navigate yourself. You can just locate your current location on the map and then just search for the streets and how you can get to them yourself, or you can use the built-in navigation. Now, on the web version, you don't have access. Well, you do have access to your location, but you don't have access to navigation because, of course, it's a static point. You won't be moving around with your PC on the street. At least I hope not. Well, mostly you won't, because you won't have a power source. But if you're using your laptop, I would recommend you don't use your laptop to navigate, at least not while walking. But other than that, you can very easily just select any sort of point. So, for example, let's say I want the junction at East 58th Street and Lexington Avenue, and let's take this junction as a start point. So let's say direction is from here, and then you can choose whichever other location you would like. So for example, the Ophelia Lounge, and just click on it, and it'll show you the exact route you need to take to arrive at your location. And that is pretty much it. That is how you can use navigation. You can also set other different addresses, such as your home and work address, here by going into your data and maps through the menu. And you can also make reviews, find businesses, and do a lot of different things. You can also measure the distance. So for example, if I want to locate, I don't know, Intercontinental New York, you can just click on it and it'll show you the exact data that you need. It'll show you some booking options. It'll show you availability options. You'll be able to search for directions. You'll be able to save this location, share it, see things nearby. You can check the prices, the reviews, add a review if you want, etc., etc. You have a lot of options there, and you can also check the distance between 2 points. It will show you the directions, and it'll show you the exact distance of those directions. However, you can also do it like this. Just right click on any sort of point, click measure distance, and then click anywhere else. So for example, here it'll show you the aerial distance between those 2 points, but you can click anywhere on this line and modify the line like this. Drag it, so for example, there on the junction, and as you can see, it'll show you the exact length of that stretch. In this case, it is 719.75 meters. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can use Google Maps. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.